Today, we are going to have a chat about how you feel about being on social media and available to the entire world. So for example, what are your 6-month goals? What do you want to achieve and how do you feel about having those goals come true?
I guess I never really thought about having 6-month goals. I think immediate. And I think about very long term. But this chunk of time is a bit weird for me.
Do you want your website finished? Do you want a blog started, at least 50 articles? Do you want Facebook and Twitter set up? All this can be done in 6 months.
That's the problem. I want all this to happen and I am overwhelmed. What do you suggest?
Today, write a list of what you want in 6 months. Include a schedule of how much time you will allow for each item. Include fun, earning, creating some e-books and services. Frankly, the list will change. However, without a list, you can't know what to do and when. Come back tomorrow with that list.
Okay, I will. I use a calendar and write it out even if I don't know how this can all come about. Thank you and see you tomorrow.